Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, going to do something that my wife loves and I'm not such a fan of because I don't really like jalapenos. But we're going to do some jalapeno poppers. What we've got here is bread-crumbed jalapenos, which get deep fried. But what I'm going to take you through is jalapenos wrapped in bacon with cream cheese, which we're going to put on the big green egg afterwards for dinner tonight. So what we first is get your whole jalapenos. A lot of people cut off here and take the stalk off, makes it harder. What I'm going to show you is a cool trick from a good friend of mine, Ken, showed me this trick and it works really awesome. So you can keep the stalk on, get your knife, just run down the jalapeno and get it in your hand, and just hold it, just open up this side a bit, and crunch it open like that. So it keeps it whole. And then just scoop out all the seeds, because I believe the seeds are even hotter than the jalapenos. And everybody knows they love seeing me go red when I eat red, really hot foods. And they find it funny. I don't know why. So that's one. We'll do one more. And then again, I'll show you again. Cut, slide along. Squash it with your hand to open it up, and then just scoop out all the seeds and the insides. And don't make a rookie mistake and wipe your face or something like after you've done this. If you've got really hot jalapenos, these are. So don't be silly like me and go, oh whoops, and wipe on your face. So what we've got there, we've done that. Get rid of the seeds. So then we've got some cream cheese already cut in the length. So pop one in, close them all up, and get a rindless streaky bacon. Streaky bacon is from the belly. So start at the top end of the jalapeno, wrap it around, keep on going, then come back up the back like that, and then place them down like a little bed. So then it'll all sit, so when you're cooking it, it won't untangle. Then on this one, we'll do another one for you. Piece of cheese, cream cheese in there, squash it up. Piece of bacon, start at the top, wrap around, and then end on the back again like that. So then it's all covered and it won't unravel. So pretty easy to do. Remember the cutting technique. So then when you go to cook them, you'll place them on your barbecue, and then you can eat them by holding onto the stem. So hopefully you really enjoyed. Cool little tip that I learned how to make jalapeno poppers.